Hi, I'm PatrickStarrr.
Hi, I'm Ronnie.
And we believe that makeup is one size fits all. Hey guys, it's PatrickStarrr. Welcome back to my channel. Oh my god, we are here for Fashion Week! Guys, first time ever on my channel. Ever on my channel. We are going to daily vlog this whole week. I've never done it. I've seen all these fashion bloggers do it. I am not a fashion blogger, so bear with me. We are here in New York City for Fashion Week. And yeah, we're gonna vlog every day. I have literally everyone here. I'm gonna give you guys a little room tour because I think it's the most sickening room. It's cute. It's just kind of like a little apartment here. But I just also too, just for me, just to be selfish and personally me, I want to be able to document these moments in my life and look back and be like, dang, she was real cute back then. She was real cute. I have my contacts in Desio Rebel Gray. We have GLAM going on. Also, if you guys like these kinds of stuff, comment down below, please. Subscribe. What else do I say? Yeah, I think I got it right. I'm a little bit rusty. but bear with me. All right, so here is the room. We got GLAM. There's my nebulizer because of my asthma. It's like a little dining area. Ronnie is glamming. Guys, I have been obsessed with this Tatcha eye cream, by the way. The peony, silk peony. Focus. Can you tap it on the thing? No, tap it here. Oh. I was like, this is the Tatcha Silk Peony Eye Cream. I love it so much. It is amazing. It's like a little flower on the top. There is GLAM that's happening. Also over here, there's like a little kitchen. These are all where the shoes are. Turbans are shoved in there. Here's like a little living room area. And here is where we have all of the shows in the schedule. I won't give you too much detail, but we laid out all the looks there for the week. There's the room. Someone is in there, and we were watching J-Lo, and that's the room. I don't know if I'm ready for your Fashion Week. Oh my gosh, and shout out to Alondra, the lash bar. I literally love these lashes. These are in the style Craze. I literally DM'd her. I was like, Alondra, can I please have some lashes for Fashion Week? And she was like, yes. So shout out to Alondra and her beautiful face and waist. Bitch. And yeah, guys, what to tell you, I've had the worst asthma everywhere in New York. I have this nebulizer. It's a machine, and there's a medication called Buterol. Shout out to everyone that has asthma there. So I'll be puffing in front row at Fashion Week this week. So, but yes, shout out to my asthma girls. Alright guys, this is my makeup, and we're gonna go to Private Policy. That's what I'm wearing. Whoa. So we are dressed for Private Policy, our first show of Fashion Week. I am obsessed with my makeup. Fun fact, this was actually one of the hoodies that I used on Face Forward, and this is my turban from Don't. So here we are with the GLAM. And yes, I am obsessed. And I went for a more cool tone lip. I hope you guys like it. This is a little bit out of my comfort zone, but you know, I'm gonna try to make it work. And let's see what we can vlog. And we're literally like so close to the venue. Show one. Let's go. Hey guys, we're here at Private Policy. Peter and I were kind of matching today. Oh my gosh, we're gonna get some pictures, but we're so excited. This is kind of what it looks like to be at Fashion Week. And I like it in the daytime because you get better lighting and better pictures, but it's exciting. And they have a more leisure-lax kind of vibe, so hence the hoodie and hence the teddy bear that Peter's wearing. But yeah, here's a little glimpse of New York Fashion Week. I hope you guys are as excited as I am. We are literally matching today with the new tones. Oh my god. They're already taking your picture, Dove. Guys, we just finished private policy. We did a few pictures. I met some of you guys. My feet hurt. I have not worn those Bordello stripper ass shoes in so long. But can we look at this view? I just want to bring you guys into the world of New York City. So gorgeous today. The sun is just setting. It's around 4 o'clock. It's really, really cold. But I'm having so much fun. Tonight we actually, my friend Noah is coming up. We're gonna grab some food because I'm really, really hungry. I'm sure everyone else is too. We're gonna get some food, and our next show is Brandon Maxwell at 8. After tonight, we have LaCon Smith. So yeah, we're gonna do a bit of an outfit change, makeup change. I'm thinking like purple today on the eyes. Ronnie's gonna hook me up with some purple, but guys, this is like my go-to glam. Oh, and if you guys want to know, my lip today is cork with a little bit of truffle by Joseph Colors, in case you guys are wondering what I'm wearing. But yeah, my skin has been being good to me, Guys, we are doing corsets with Alex here. Where can they find you?
Hi, Instagram is the best way, and email is all Alex Tour Corsetry.
Yes.
Yeah, so it's at gmail.com.
This is my secret weapon behind and to many other queens and celebrities too. They just don't tell you, but PatrickStarrr is here to show you guys.
NDAs are real.
Yep. Oh my god. If you guys want a custom corset, go to with Alex, because he knows how to snatch a bitch up. Okay. I only had one Shake Shack burger today, so he snatched it real quick.
Came in eating. Yeah.
Yeah. Hello, Purple. We have Duff in the back. If you guys don't remember, Duff has been with me in the back of Water Red Carpet. She's my publicist. For 4 years, we've been working together. We are serving a Purple Fantasy tonight. Look at the turban by Fabian. We are on our way to Brandon Maxwell, who dressed Lady Gaga for the Met Ball last year. I'm so excited. Look at these earrings. So fabulous. I'm like obsessed. Our night tonight consisted of a few drinks, a few Super Bowls.
A few Super Bowl halftime.
This one requested a whole bucket of alcohol, tequila, vodka,
So is Noah.
whiskey.
This is your influence.
Do you know when a gay guy wears sunglasses at night, that it's a situation? So yeah, shout out to Noah and his OnlyFans. And this is what you guys see behind the camera. There's Peter. Shine the light backwards. This is the outfit. That's the outfit.
Very sexy, silky.
Oh.
But yeah, guys, I'm gonna try my best to upload literally tomorrow. So if you guys are liking the video so far, give this a thumbs up. I'm trying to give you as much insight as I can. We spent like an hour doing photos and TikToks and shindigs, but it'll be really, really cool for you guys to see this uploaded right away. Hey guys, so I wasn't allowed to have any guests, so it's just me and
Hi.
some mammals. We're in a museum. We're really far. I don't know if I'm gonna make it to the last show, LaCon Smith, because we're so far. But I'm hoping I can make it. Look at the little paparazzi pit behind me. They're ready to photograph the show.
Looks so good.
By the looks of it, I don't think we're gonna make the last show.
No, probably not.
But,
there's a ton of people here.
Brandon Maxwell is the one who dressed Lady Gaga at the Met Ball. I think I already said that, but I'm excited. Guys, I'm wearing a fucking corset. It is so tight. So hopefully my ass can sit down and fit. Carly Clark. Beautiful show, gorgeous, and instant replay. Bella Hadid blew me a kiss.
It was
Did you
insane.
see that?
Yes.
Bella, instant replay. Bella goes. I was like, I was dead. I go to Duff. So Duff is my publicist, and I was like, did you see that? Did you see that? Did you see that? She goes, yes, I saw it. And I was like, oh my God. Peter, we have a fashion show version.
Mr. Noah.
This is a different kind of show.
It's not a drag show, so...
It's not a drag show.
Yeah.
This is a fashion show. She's not ready. Look at Peter's boots. Navy, satin, fashion. We have all black.
He forgot his wings.
His wings, his angel wings. Ooh, ooh. Alana, supermodel.
Hey.
What does it take to be a model at Fashion Week and everywhere?
Energy,
Okay.
coffee, and confidence.
Oh my gosh, I love this bitch.
I love you
She's
both.
always slaying.
Yes.
This is my favorite part about Fashion Week. Ugh. Guys, I don't know if you guys even got to see my outfit. Serving purple realness. I was inspired by Michelle Obama in this purple. So I had this purple suit made, and I love these earrings. Do you guys see? They are so like iridescent purple, and they kind of match the shoe. And per usual, they were glued on the turban. And Ronnie slayed my makeup. Hey guys, so we just went to Fishbowl. We went and partied a little bit, and it's a club in New York. It's a gay club in New York, and so my Snapchat right here, Ronnie and Pixie. This is Pixie. We're dancing to Janet. We're walking out of the club, and we're gonna get some food right now. We're about to see Preston, her makeup artist, Janet Jackson's makeup artist, and we're like, "Hey, Preston!" And then this little girl with him, with a big old bodyguard, is with him, and we're like, "Hey, Preston."
She literally looks so little.
Hey, so Janet. I was like, so Janet Jackson walks by us to go into the club, and we're like, "Hey, Janet, we love you so much." And then these bitches.
She goes, "Hi."
Oh my God.
Not Janet. And like, it took me a moment to really grasp that it was her, because my drunk ass is like,
guys, we just walked by Janet Jackson, and we love you, Janet. We love you so much. If you guys remember, I did her for my my drag series 101, my rainbow drag series in the red. So it was so fun. We're about to get some food, and that concludes the end of day one of.
We met her.
That's my first day at Fashion Week, guys, 2020. How crazy! We're gonna get some food, and we hope you guys enjoy this vlog.
We gotta be up for 4 hours.
If you guys want to see more videos like
Patrick
this of
is
today,
going to be glamming, and I'm going to be making him look so pretty in the next 4 hours.
Alright guys, if you guys want to see more vlogs like this,
watching,
be sure to give us a thumbs up. I love you guys so much, and I hope to see you all in my next video. Bye.